Okay, so I would like to rest the controversy whether COVID spreads through the air once for all. All of us have been hearing since last week the findings of some scientists that COVID spreads through the air, which has been refuted by WHO, ICMR and the like. But what is the fact of the case? To be frank, way back at the beginning of COVID, Japanese researchers have conclusively proven that COVID spreads through micro droplets. Please note, it's not through air, but it's through micro droplets. Let's try and understand what is meant by micro droplets. You know, when a person coughs or sneezes, the droplets that he releases immediately fall to the ground. So these droplets cannot travel through the air. So droplet transmission cannot happen aerially, or it cannot be transmitted through the air. But then, using a special camera, these Japanese scientists discovered that micro droplets contained in the sputum of the person who coughed stays afloat. They are so small and so light that they don't fall to the ground. They stay afloat in the air, and they can be carried by the wind to a significant distance. Now, COVID does not spread through the air, but COVID spreads through micro droplets which are carried by the wind through the air. And these micro droplets contain number of SARS-CoV-2 viruses, leading to the spreading of the infection. So this 1 meter gap, social distancing, hand sanitizing, wearing of the mask, all this becomes futile when the transmission happens through micro droplets. Please note, most of the masks, except probably N95 and the like, has pore sizes greater than 10 micron. See, at this pore size, these micro droplets can easily go through the mask and infect a person. In other words, most of the masks that we wear are purely decorative. Now let's look at the precautionary measures that we have taken. Number one, hand sanitizing. When the virus transmits through the air, through micro droplets, hand sanitizing does not help. Masks, the usual masks, almost all of them have pore size greater than 10 micron. Through these pores, the virus can easily infiltrate and infect the person. Again, it doesn't protect. Social distancing. If it was only droplets only, 1 meter to 2 meter gap would have been good enough to prevent transmission of this infection, because these droplets easily fall to the ground within 1 to 2 meters. But the micro droplets stay afloat, they don't fall to the ground, and they are carried by the wind across long distances. So even social distancing may not work. All this are not just to scare you or frighten you, but to share the fact. So guys, shutting yourself in within a closed space, okay, it can prevent the spread of the infection, no doubt. but then that can ruin your life and career, even your psychological balance. You can become a kind of pervert if you lock yourself in. The one and only way in front of us is improving immunity through excellent food, exercise, positive mindset, and a good lifestyle. Happiness in general. When you are happy, your immune system works at its peak. When you are depressed, stressed out, your immune system also weakens. So if you are, be happy and eat good food, exercise, be positive minded. And let me assure you, the SARS-CoV-2 virus cannot touch you. It can come near you, cannot touch you, because your body, your immunity is so strong that it cannot hurt you. So this simply is a fact of the case. I put it before you to think wisely and take a decision which is good for you. Thank you very much.